Students, how are you? Good morning all. I hope you all are fine there. I am fine here. Stay safe at your home. So, students, you know that our day start with our daily routine work from morning to night. So, you should know the time. At what time you have to do what things. So today I am going to teach you about the time, how to read the clock. Yes, see what is there in the board. I had drawn something on the board. See, there is a circle. Now you know that there are mainly two type of clocks are there. The first one is digital clock, in which you are seeing about 24-hour timing, while in the second clock we see that it is an analog clock, and analog clock it is used 12-hour timing. Now here I am going to teach you how to read the time. See, first of all, how we will make the clock. See, we have to start with 12. Now write opposite of 12, 6. Then here 3. Then here 9. Now put a center. After this, write all the number which is come in analog clock. You know that there are 12 digit numbers come here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's why it is called 12-hour timing in analog clock. Now we will write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now see, our clock is nearly ready, but it is not ready without the hands. Now I will draw one hands. Say, in our clock mainly three hands are there. Mainly three hands are there. The bigger hand is known as minute hand. The bigger hand is known as minute hand. The smaller hand is known as hour hand. Hour hand. Now the thin hand, which is जो पतला hand होता है, the thin hand is known as second hand. Second hand. Yeah. Now our clock is ready. See, our clock is ready with the three hand. Once again I will repeat. The bigger hand is known as minute hand. The smaller hand is known as hour hand. And the thin hand, जो पतला hand होता है, we known as second hand. So when our small hand is any on number, we will read that is on that hour. जो छोटा हैंड हमारा जिस नंबर पे होता है उसे हम लोग आवर हैंड काउंटिंग करते हैं. ओके, नाउ हाउ वी हैव टू काउंट, हाउ वी विल काउंट. सी हियर, our minute hand will start from 12. It will go to 1. So from between 12 to 1 there are 5 minutes. 12 से 1 तक जाने के लिए उसको 5 मिनट लगते हैं. So it is said that between two number there are 5 minutes. Between two number there are total 5 minutes. So if we will go from 1 to 2, how many minutes? Yeah, from 1 to 2 it will cover 5 minutes. From 2 to 3 it will cover 5 minutes. From 3 to 4 it will cover 5 minutes. Yes. So now we will learn how to count the minute. So our minute hand, if your minute hand go from 12 to 1, it covers 5 minutes. On 2, it covers 10 minutes. On 3, it covers 15 minutes. On 4, it covers 20 minutes. On 5, it covers 25 minutes. On 6, it covers 30 minutes. On 7, it covers 35 minutes. On 8, it covers 40 minutes. On 9, it covers 45 minutes. On 10, it covers 50 minutes. And on 11, our minute hand will be there. It covers 55 minutes. And on 12, it covers total 60 minutes. So we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Once again I am repeating, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now I will ask you to tell me the time I will use for that a clock. I will teach you how to read the time on clock. Okay, see, now what is in my hand? You are seeing an analog clock. In the beginning of this session, I told you there are two types of clock. One is digital clock and the second one is analog clock. See, now I am going to teach you how to read the time. See, there are three hands in my clock. One is bigger hand, that is minute hand. The second one is smaller hand, that is hour hand. And now the thin hand, जो पतला है, that is second hand. Now I will show you how to read the time. See, now see in the clock. Everybody able to see? Yes. Now see, from the clock, here it is see that my hour hand is on 5 and my minute hand is on 12. So what is the time? How we will read time? जहां पे हमारा hour hand होता है बेटा, that we have to read, वो ही हमारा time होता है. So our hour hand is on 5, it means it is 5 o'clock. Now let's see one more example. Let's see with one more example. Yes, now see. My hour hand is on 7 and my minute hand is on 12. It means that my hour hand is on 7. It means that it is 7 o'clock. It is 7 o'clock. Now, if my minute hand will be on 3, it means what is the time? What is the time? My dear, read the time. It is on 7, it means it is 7 o'clock. But what about minutes? It 5, 10, 15 minutes. So we said that the time is 7:15 minutes. 15 minutes past 7. So we will learn this much only today. I hope you enjoyed the session, you learn. And so what you have to do at your home, go to your home, take the clock and try to read different time with the help of your parents. Thank you.